Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily send Bitcoin on Coinbase. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go to top right next to your name and click send and receive. Right then you're gonna see send, and let's say that you want to send 1,000 euro, and now like 500 euro to enter email address, you add a note, and you can pay with Bitcoin or you can simply choose other cryptocurrency. So again, you add like 500 euro, like the worth of the Bitcoin that you can send. And you add an email address, pretty much it's not email, but the email or the address for Bitcoin or other platform. And this is pretty much it how we do it. So thank you very much guys, have a great day and goodbye.